This is the Talasi Abbi Falls, on the way from Holikal Mastikatte-Ghat to Teerthahalli near Yadur. This is a remote waterfall. You have to trek 1.5 kilometers, and you see this pristine nature. Here are the two boys who have come before and who guided me to this place, because otherwise it is pretty close to impossible to find it because all routes are blocked. Such pristine nature, beautiful sound. You can relax here, go for a swim. There is a pool here, so maybe you can swim. I think the current will be sharp and the rocks will be a bit slippery, but you can certainly take a dip in the water. I am not taking a dip in the water because I am heading towards the Yadur fort from here. It's a day trip for today. It was Holikal Falls, Kunchikal Falls was on the agenda, but apparently you need permission from the power department to actually go there. So I had to skip that. So I did Holikal Falls and then this one, and this is Talasi Abbi Falls, and then I head towards Yadur fort.